कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। समनुस्मृततावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः समनुपङ्कजसम्भवाङ्गजन्मा निजमन्दरमन्दराय हीनं चरितं ते कथयन् सुखं निनाय। Swayambhuva Manu is the son of Brahmaji. He is nicely spending his time meditating Tavakangriyukmaha, meditating on the lotus feet of Guruvayurappan. Samanu, and the Manu is the Swayambhuva Manu. He is the Pangaja Sambhavanga. Brahmaji is the who came from the lotus. His son is Swayambhuva Manu. Remember in 10th Dashaka, end of it, Bhagavan divided himself into Brahmaji divided himself into male and female aspect. That male aspect is Swayambhuva Manu. So, Brahmaji's son, Swayambhuva Manu. Wife is Shatarupa. So, that Manu, now his story is coming. Okay? There, Nijamandaram, his Manvantara means it's a Swayambhuva Manvantara at that time. Right now it is Vaivasvara Manvantara. அப்போ ஸ்வாயம்புவ ஒரு மன்வந்தரா இஸ் ஒரு பீரியட் ஆஃப் long kalpa, long time. That Manu will be head. Even now we have a head. Manu who is still doing his tapas because so the world is still prosperous and going. So like that a Manu is in charge of every Manvantara. இப்போ Swayambhuva Manu is in charge of the Swayambhuva Manvantara. Andaraya Heenam, without any internal disturbance. Why? Because he is Tavakangriyukmaha. He is meditating on Guruvayurappan feet always. Therefore, no disturbance inside. Charitam te kathayan. See? By singing Katha of Bhagavan continuously, meditating on his lotus feet, peacefully, Swayambhuva Manu is spending his time ruling in that Manvantara. Next. Samaye kalu tatra kardamakhyo druhinachaya bhavastadiya vacha drida sargaraso nisargaramyam bhagavam stvamayudam samasisheve. Kardama is the Prajapati. Prajapatina, they do Praja Srishti. They will multiply Praja. Brahmaji created many rishis who are Prajapatis. This Kardama Prajapati was born as the Druhina Chaya, as the shadow of Brahmaji. He is called Kardama. Brahmaji told him, Kardama, I want you to engage in the work of creation. You first go and do tapas to Bhagavan and then enter into the Grihastha-ashrama dharma. So, that Kardama started doing tapas, Drida Sargaraso, Nisargaramyam, and meditating on Guruvayurappan to get his grace, then enter Grihastha-ashrama. Right now he is the Rishi. So, he is doing tapas for 10,000 years. Garudopari Kalamega Kamram Tilasakkeli Saroja Pani Patmam Hasitolasitananam Vibhotvam Vapura Vishkurushe Smakardamaya. Garudopari Kalamega Kamram Tilasakkeli Saroja Pani Patmam Hasitolasitananam Vibhotvam Vapura Vishkurushe Smakardamaya. And on beautiful Garuda, the beautiful Rupam Neela Megha Shamala with the bluish complexion, with a pleasant smile and holding a play lotus. Garudo Parikala Megha Kamram Vilasakkeli Saroja Pani Padmam Hasitola. See, Bhagavan is smiling and blessing. Hasitola Sitananam Vibhotvam Vapura Vishkurushe appeared in beautiful form in front of Kardama. Then Kardama Prajapati did stuti to Bhagavan. स्तुवते पुलकावृदाय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चादे स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां न वापि पुत्रीः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चादे स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः Kapila is doing stuti of Bhagavan. What is the stuti? It sees the greatness in two slokas in Bhagavatam. Kapila is telling, Jushtam vadadhyat किल सत्वराशेः जुष्टं वदाद्या किल सत्वराशेः सांसिद्यमक्ष्णोस्तव दर्शनान्नः By your darshan our eyes have attained fulfillment of existence. यद्दर्शनं जन्म विरीड्य सद्भिः आशासते योगिनो रूढयोगाः To get this darshan, the yogis will do tapas for number of years. And they yearn for this darshan of Bhagavan. And then, very important shloka, it is also mentioned by Vishnupriyaji in the Madhura Murali magazine latest. What are the four great, beautiful features in Bhagavan's lotus feet? Ye mayayate hadamedasastvate पादारविन्दं भवसिन्धुपोदम् वासते कामलवायल्तेषां राशीषकामा निरयेऽपि ये स्युः Many slokas are there in Bhagavatam. Some of the bhaktas, they select few sloka and give vyakhyana and bring out the greatness. So this one is there in this month. So I thought we should know. ये माययाते अदमेदसस्वते पादारविन्दं भवसिन्धुपोदम् This lotus feet of Bhagavan is a boat for crossing the ocean of samsara. 3.21.14 So, ye mayayate hadamedasasvate पादारविन्दं भवसिन्धुपोदम् उपासते कामलवायतेषां राशीषकामा निरयेऽपि ये स्युः Indeed, those who worship this feet to attain worldly things, it really means they are a casualty of Maya only, because the lowly pleasures can be had in any birth, even in hells. Idapeti Kepala, will anyone ask this? When the feet of Bhagavan Bhava Sindhu Podam, they enable us to cross the very ocean of samsara. Then Tata Sachaham Parivodukamaha Samanashilam Grihamedadenu Upeivan Moolam Ashesha Moolam Dudashaya Kama Dugangripasya Tata Sachaham Parivodukamaha समानशीलां गृहमेदधेनुम् उपैवान् मूलमशेषमूलं दुराशय कामदुगाङ्घ्रिपस्य 3.21.15 And Kardama says, this is indeed what I am doing. I am doing tapas to you so that my father Brahmaji has told me to enter Grihastha-ashrama. Therefore, I am understanding and I am asking trivial things. I am asking for a good wife who will help me in my Grihastha Dharma. Even though knowing you are the Kalpataru Vriksha, who will grant all desires. You are the Kamadenu, like the wish-fulfilling cow for us. Bhagavan is seeing the ocean of samsara is crossed by us, the boat. Bhagavan is the boat used to cross the feet, cross the samsara. Bhagavan is the granter of all desires, is the Kalpataru. And Bhagavan is the Kamadenu, the lotus feet. Prepared Pata Bhagavan, he can give all Vishaya Sukhas. That Bhagavan's lotus feet, our Kardama is praising Stuvate Pulakavridaya Tasmai Manuputrim Daitam Navapi Putrihi Kapilam cha sudam swameva paschade swagadim chapyanugrihy nirgato bhuhu. Bhagavan is telling you have done tapas with utmost humility and sincere bhavam. I am pleased with your effort, and therefore I already know what you have in your mind. I have made all arrangement. Day after tomorrow, Swayambhuva, Manu and Shatarupa will come with their daughter Devahuti and offer her to you in marriage. You will have 9 daughters through her, and at the end I myself shall enter her garbha through you and be born as her son, and after this you will attain Sadgati and attain me. Like this, Bhagavan Samagan blessed Kardama and disappeared. So Kardama again continued tapas in the Bindu Sarovar, beautiful place where our Narayana has blessed that Tirtham, Bindu Sarovar. So Anga is continuing to do tapas, and then as they said, Bhagavan said, Swayambhuva Manu is coming. Samanushya Rupaya Mahishya Gunavatya Sutaya Cha Devahutya Bhavadiri Danaradopadistaha Samagat Kardamam Agadi Pratiksham. Samanushyatarupaya Mahishya Gunavatya Sutaya Cha Devahutya Bhavadiri Danaradopadistaha Samagat Kardamam Agadi Pratiksham. Shatarupa arrived, and they brought Devahuti, who is Gunavati, and so virtuous and guna, great character, great beauty, great humility and intelligence and knowledge and bhakti, such a beautiful Devahuti they brought. Bhavadiri Dhanaradopadishta, who prompted Swayambhuva Manu to come here? Narada. Narada is so amazing. Everywhere he will be the linker, the bhakta with Bhagavan, Narada. So he has told Swayambhuva Manu, please take your daughter to Kardama. So, Bhavadiri Dhanaradopadishtaha Samagat Kardamam Agadi Pradiksham. Then, this is the part, Kardama Prajapati Devahuti Vivaha happens as per the Shastra Vidhi for the first time. Because everything right now was magic, right? Ippadan Vedic wedding happened first. Kardama and Devahuti. Manunopahridam cha Devahutim Taruni Ratnam. Taruni Ratnam. Devahuti Bhagavan Taruni Ratnam சொல்றார். அங்க ராச கிரீடையில பகவான் Shuka says Three Ratnam for the gopis. Here Taruni Ratnam for Devahuti. Taruni Ratnam avapya Kardamosam Bhavadarchana Nirvratopi tasyam Trida Shushruषणया Dadau Prasadam Manunopahridam cha Devahutim Taruni Ratnam avapya Kardamosam Bhavadarchana Nirvratopi tasyam Trida Shushruषणया Dadau Prasadam. Manu Upaharam Upahridam. Manu is giving respectfully to Kardama. Kardama Prajapati already says ek sharat hai. I have to put a condition. After entering Grihasthashrama and after having children, I will no longer be in this married state. I will go back to the forest and do tapas to attain Bhagavan. He already told Manu. Manu is Amma Shatarupa is very happy with Mapale choice. Devahuti is also delighted. So Manu had no doubt at all. So therefore Devahuti was married with, in the Vedic rites, with Kardama, and Appa gave all kind of offerings, jewels and servants and elephants and whatever they will need. Appa gave everything. Bhavadachana nirvritopi tasyam dridashushrushanayaam. Whatever the girl will need for the family, the Appa used to give before. Now only that Dahej and all those things became forced. It was not so before. It was like a voluntary being given out of love by the father. Like that they gave, and Shushrusha Pandrai, my mother and all will say, this Palakkad word it is, Shushrusha. Romba Shushrusha Panikade body ki means what? You're doing too much work for your body. Like Shushrusha is very common in our language. That is the word Shushrushanaya. Don't be shy to say that. Shushrushanaya means Shushrusha Pandra, service Pandra. She is doing service to husband Kardama day and night. Kardama will be just in Dhyanam, in doing Trikala Sandhya, in always in Bhagavat Smarana, and barely eating, just to run the body. After them, he'll be in Samadhi. Devahuti Amma, she will be just seeing him and taking care of his needs without interfering anything. Like that, continuous many years, she does Shushrusha, Seva. So, Trida Shushrushanaya Dadau Prasadam. Then, Sapunastwadupasana Prabhavade Daida Kama Kride Vimane Manidakula Sangulo Navatma Vyahadaddeva Pateshu Devahutya Sapunastwadupasana Prabhavade Daida Kama Kride Vimane Manidakula Sangulo Navatma Yaharaddeva Pateshu Devahutya. The bath and came out, she became like the young Devahuti when she was married. Her youthful form appeared, and Kardama himself became youthful person with lot of female attendants helping them. They did sancharam in the Pushpaka Vimana, which can go anywhere at will, and many years, 100 years, they passed like this. Vyaharaddeva Pateshu Devahutya. 100 years over, Shatavarsham Athavyatitya Soyam Navakanya Samavapya Dhanyarupaha Vanayana Samudhyatopi Kanta Hitakritva Jananotsuko Nyavatsi. 9 daughters are born. Dhanyarupa, very blessed children, beautiful girls with good character and anugraham, and auspicious girls. Then Kardama again says, I wish to retire to forest. Devahuti begs him how to get married these 9 daughters, Maharaj, and also I wish to have a son through you, because after you leave, what about me, my ajnanam, my moham, and my attachment toward all these, how will I get redemption? I need a son to help me cross this ocean. So she requested Bhagavan Kardama to stay back. So he continued to stay. Manayana Samudyatopi Kanta Hitakritva Jananotsuko Nyavatsite. Then they did more worship to Bhagavan. Nicha Bhartrigira Bhavan Nisheva Niradaya Matadeva Devahutya Kapilastwamajayatha Janana Prathayishyan Paramatma Tattva Vidya. Is intent on doing worship. The nature of her is Bhagavan, Bhagavan, Bhagavan. If our nature became like that, it will be so easy. It's not forced. Spontaneous, always thinking Guru Arpan, Guru Arpan, Guru. Like that she is Nirataya. Bhavannisheva Nirataya. Atadeva Devahutya. Appu Bhagavan is entering her womb. Kapilastvam Ajayata Janana. Why he came? To teach us Sankhya Tattva. Paramatma Tattva called Sankhya Yoga. Kapila Bhagavan is teaching Pratayeshyan Paramatma Tattva Vidya. Kapila Avatar Bhagavan ki Jai. Then Kardama is going to the forest. Vaname Yoshi Kardame Prasanne Mada Sarvasvam Upadishan Jananyai Kapilatmaka Mandiresha Tvaridam Tvam Paripahi Mam Gadaughat Vaname Yoshi Kardame Prasanne Mada Sarvasvam Upadishan Jananyai Kapilatmaka Mandiresha Tvaridam Tvam Paripahi Mam Gadaugat. For the forest. Mata Sarvasvam Upadishan Jananye. The beautiful Tattva Kapila Muni gave Upadesha to the mother who surrendered with humility and longing and in a spirit of service. She is surrendering to her son and says, "Oh son, I have been caught in this material world for so long. I don't know how to get out of it. Please remove my moham and bless me with Atma Jnanane." She surrenders to the son, and son as the guru is giving Upadesha to mother. Kapila Atma Gavayu Mandiresha Tvaridam Tvam Paripahi. Guruvayurappa, what a lovely avatara you have done. Fifth avatara as Kapila. Please cure my ailments. Like this, Narayana Bhattadri wrote 14th chapter. Then the teaching of Kapila is starting. Madhiriha guna sakta bandha krityeshva sakta tu bandha krityeshva sakta tu amrita krit uparunde bhakti yogastu saktim mahat anugamalabhya bhakti reva atra sadhya Kapila tanuriti tvam devahotyai nyagadi. Sakta Bhagavan is remembering Kapila Avatara in Bhagavad Gita also. He's telling Ashwattaha Sarva Vrikshanam Devarshinam Chanaradaha Gandharvanam Chitrarataha Siddhanam Kapilo Muni. Bhagavan is telling in Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna, Ashwatta Vrikshatila, I am among the Vrikshas, I am Ashwatta Vriksha. Among the Rishis, I am Deva Rishi Narada. Among the Gandharvas, I am Chitraratha. Among Siddhas, I am Kapila Muni. I is telling greatness of Kapila. So that Kapila is teaching. Very beautiful shloka, just be alert, wide open eyes, ears open. Madhiriha Guna Sakta. Our Mati, our Buddhi is having asakti to the gunas. What are gunas? Sattva, Raja, Tamo Guna. So, we are bound by the Maya Shakti of Bhagavan. The Maya has Avarana Shakti and Vikshepana Shakti. The Maya is covering Purusha from us. So, it's not totally our fault, but since we are hearing, no, we got to do something about it. Starting chalega, kaise bhi hua. But right now you know, therefore you need to get out of it. So, because of the Maya gunas, we are having Sattva, Raja, Tamo guna, we are attached to doing things and worldly things. When this attachment is on the world, it totally creates bandham. Bandha krityeshva saktadu. It creates bandham and attachment. And then, but when the intellect is separate, asakta varkarta, asakta tu amridakrit. When the mind is not to the world but to Guruvayurappan, it takes us to Amridam. It takes to liberation. So, the running after the world which is only transient, if we can turn the mind to Guruvayurappan like we do now and then, like that, do more and more and more, then you only like Guruvayurappan, nothing else. Like that, then moksha ho gaya. So, Amrita Krutu Parunde, Bhakti Yogastu, how to get there? Bhakti Yogastu. By Bhakti Yoga is the easy path for us. And guaranteed path, there is no downfall. Remember Narayanyam 91 we studied. Bhakti Patha. But how to get that bhakti? Mahadanugamalabhya. Association of sadhus. Satsangam. Mahadanugamalabhya. Bhakti Atra sadhya. Innatthukku odral. Why are you running here and there? Bhakti eva atra sadhya. All of what you need to get is bhakti alone. Nothing else will come with us. Like this, Kapila is telling, Amma, Kapila is the sadhu guru right there. He says, take ashrayam of sadhus to get bhakti and turn the mind to Guru Arpan. Mahadanugamalabhya bhakti devatra sadhya kapila tanuriditvam devahutyainagadihi विभागो उच्यते सौ प्रकृत्या कपिलतनुरिदित्वं देवहूत्यै न्यगादीः. So the Prakriti, like the Maya Shakti, is having Avarana Shakti, it's covering. Vikshepa Shakti, it's also showing something that's not there. Both way we are bold. One is covering what is there, one is showing what is not there. Both are done by Maya Shakti. And because of this, now we have Mahat Tattva came, Ahankara Tattva came, then Manas, Buddhi, Aham, then the 5 Tanmatras. Tanmatra means the property of the elements, etc. So the elements are Panchabhuta, Akasha, Vayu, Jalam, Agni, Prithvi, etc. All of them have a quality: hearing, speaking, smelling, tasting, touching. All those things are binding us. So these are the Tanmatras and the Panchabhutas. Abhidabhida Shakshi Purusha Panchavimshaha 10 organs of action, 10 organ of 5 organ of action, 5 organ of perception. Karmendriya, Jnanendriya, 10. Then Panchabhuta and Tanmatra, 20. 4 Manas, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankar, Chakra. To go inside and see each of us, each of it in Anubhavam. And then understand deeper, say, no, I'm not this, I'm not this, I'm not this, and understand us as the Jiva Swarupa Atma. That is called separating. Idi vidida vibhago. When we can do that, when we can separate, muchyate sau, then we get muchyate sau prakritya. Then we get release from prakriti. Right now, prakriti holding tight. Some thought has come and we are working by that. We are held by prakriti's hold is very powerful. Only Guru Kripa can remove. And that too not all sudden. One by one, it's happening every time. Every class, every little bit. Like that it happens, but you won't know it. You won't know it, how much bound are. Probably we are not that bound. Because you're coming to class, chhod diya na abhi, that ulagam is not there now. So we are good. Like that, slowly, the binding has to cut. Then we realize that I have to get rid of this Maya Jhal and see Guru Ayappan. That way he is teaching the Maya Tattva. This is called the Sankhya Yoga numbers I told, no? 5, 10, 20, 24. It's called Sankhya. Sankyam, like numbers. 24, 25th is the Atma. Like that, Tattva is described. So, we can attain these through Yoga Marga. The yogis will go different, one by one, etc. For us, it is through Nama Japa. You can easily quieten all these by Nama alone. So, Prakriti Gada Gunaugai Najade Purushoyam Yadidu Sajati Tasya Tadgunastam Bhajiran. Dekho, Tadgunastam Bhajiran. By singing your gunas only, these get cut. Yadidu Sajati Tasya Tadgunastam Bhajiran Madanubhajana Tatvalochanai Tapyapeyate Kapila Tanuriditvam Devahutyai Nyagadihi. All the multiplicity, we won't get confused if we do bhajan. The Purusha is not affected by the Prakriti. We all worried this karma, that karma, I did this, I did that, I did, and sometime get guilt feel and all. No, actually the Atma didn't do anything at all. It is only our Prakriti Sharira has done all this. Actually Atma never get taint. It always Shuddha. But we put the Atma identification to Prakriti. And then we get imagine and do action and have doership. So we get caught. Atma never get taint. Eppodum always pure. So the Jnani only see our Atma when we stand there. They don't see the dirty and all those things. So, and they purify just by darshan. So, Najyade Purushoyam. The Purusha never got tainted. Always pure only. It cannot get tainted. Purusha is only Satchitananda. Then, but how to separate them? The bondage. This question bothering all rishis also. We are only chota people. Yeah, then what is the answer for us? Yadi do sajani tastyam tat gunastam bhajan karo. 24 घंटा भजन करो. And then think madhanubhajana tattvaalochanai. Anubhajana, continuous bhajan, and then the thought is coming. Tattvaalochanai. How did I get here? And ask question. When you do this more and more and more, Prakriti will lose her power and release her hold by herself. She won't have anything to hold on because you're not holding on to her. She won't hold on to you. Right now you are holding to her. So when you don't, you're already always going to Guru App and she has nothing to do with you. So she will leave. So the trick is to go to Bhakti always. Then what is this type of Bhakti? Vimalamadhiruvataihi asanadhyai madangam garuda samadhirudam दिव्यभूषायुधाङ्गम् रुचितुलिततमालं शीलये दानुवेलं कपिलतनुरिदित्वं देवहूत्यै न्यगादीः विमलमधिरुपातैः आसनाद्यैर्मदङ्गं गरुडसमधिरूढं दिव्यभूषायुधाङ्गम् रुचितुलिततमालं शीलये दानुवेलं Kapiladhanudiditvam Devahutyai Nyagadihi. Bhagavan, we have to get in dhyana now and then at least. When we are offering milk, look at Guru Appan face, look at the eyes with the beautiful kajal, look at Vanamala, look at the picture in our house. And then you offer, right? Padafat, we do a flower offering, Naivedyam offering, Mantram offering, get out of, not like that. Here, Rupa Dhyanam is also important along with the mantra. So here the form is given as Bhagavan seated on the Garuda with beautiful Rupam like a Tamala Vriksha, blue complexion with lovely eyes like lotus petals, with the Shilaye Ruchita Tulita Amalam Shilaye Tanavelam. Bhagavan is holding also the divine Ayudhangal, his ornaments, all this like that. Slowly, also look at Bhagavan. When you're doing puja in the house, chanting Narayanam, look at him, see, will start smiling more and more with the connection. Then, so we have to practice that mantra with Rupa together. So that is this one. Ruchi tulitatamalam shilayedanuvelam kabiladhanuriditvam evahutyainagadi. The form is important. Adnalda, if I am in hotel or somewhere, I cannot do Narayanam chanting, Bhagavatam chanting, picture liye really hard for me. No? So I do Nama. Everywhere, I can't take Krishna picture very well, no? So I want to have a nice picture with some lamp, then I can chant. If there is no picture in hotel room, I have to pray then do Nama only, Mahamantra. Like that, the Rupam is important. Then Rupat Kuda, the Gunas. Mama Guna Gana Leela प्रख्यचित्तानुवृत्तिः भवति परमभक्तिः सा हि मृत्योर्विजेत्री कपिलतनुरिदित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादीः. Always recount the glories of Bhagavan. Different Narayanyam, Bhagavatam, Sundarakandam, like that. Keep on reading, see the stories, different avatara. Then the mind is constantly flowing towards Bhagavan as Ganga flowing towards the ocean. Maisura Saridoga Prakya Chitta Anuvritti. For mind like more and more Katha only. Right? Katha, we just got now rest from hearing Katha, no? Want to hear more and more. This way, the bhakti becomes more and more purer and purer. Bhavati Paramamatti Ipo Sahi Aparam goes beyond Mrityu. Mrityu or Vijetri. This bhakti will win over. Oh my God, is the word. Ahaha, alas. Ahaha bahula himsa tanjitartaihi kutumbam pratidinamanupushnan. Strijito balalali pishadihi grihasakto yatanamaya bhaktaha kapiladanuriritvam evahutyainagadihi. Do पालन पोषण of his family, उसका सत्यानाश होने वाला है. So, ahaha, don't waste time like that. It's telling ahaha bahula himsa, creating trouble for others and then earning money by unfair means. Kutumbam pratidinam anupushnan. Always do palan portion of kutumba and then be totally engrossed in wife and children, etc. He is vishadigrasakto. Yeah, he attains many hells. Yatanam. He gets many different hells and suffers. My abhaktaha, the one who is abhakta, he suffers a lot. My abhaktaha kapila tanuriditvam devahutyai nyagadihi. Now see the important one. This side goes, let's spend little time. Yuvati jataraginno चादबोधोऽप्यकाण्डे प्रसवगलितबोधः पीडयोल्लङ्घ्य बाल्यम् पुनरपि वद मुह्यत्येव तारुण्यकाले कपिलतनुरिदित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादिः. நாம் அனுபவிக்கிறாத the little jiva in the womb. யுவதி ஜடர கிண்ணோ ஜாதபோதோऽप्यकाण्डे प्रसवगलितबोधः पीडयोल्लङ्घ्य बाल्यम् पुनरपि वद मुह्यत्येव तारुण्यकाले कपिलतनुरिदित्वं देवहूत्यैन्यगादिः. Jatarakinno, in the Jatara Agni of the beautiful woman, the maiden Yuvati, the Jiva is Jada Bodopyakande. The fetus is conceived in the womb. First, the Amapa or union, the fetus has come. The first day it is called a unit called Kalala. Idella Bhagavatatla, like the doctor will do ultrascan for the mother's, stomach, etc. to see that very thing. Bhagavatam already provided ultrascan inside. What is in the stomach of the mother? But it will only give after 4 weeks or something in hospital. Here from day one, what's happening? Day one, the units combine and they are called Kalala. In 5 days, it becomes Buddha. In 10 days, it becomes bigger and becomes like a brinjal. In 1 month, it becomes like a lump called Peshi. In the 4th month, now the 4th month, the bodily dhatus like the flesh and bones and blood, etc. are coming. The dhatus, 7 dhatus are there. So for the 4th month, the dhatus are developing for the fetus. Then the 5th month, it gets hunger, thirst, the mouth has come now, it starts feeling hunger, thirst, etc. In the 6th month, the fetus covered by the placenta. Then, now from the 6th month onwards, the fetus starts suffering because it is adada. It's covered by placenta on one and then the mother's womb on the other. And in between, all there are worms are all touching the tender skin of this baby, of this fetus. And then the fetus is feeling so hot in the Jatara Agni. And then the worms are biting it. The mother eats pungent food, and the burning food also causes burn to the baby. And the fetus is not able to even place to move because there is the wind blowing inside. So all this, like it is wiggling like a worm in the womb. All this suffering the fetus goes through in the 6th month from starting from there. And then the head is curled up, and the neck is curled up, and the back is all curled up like this. He cannot move, he's like in a bird in the cage. Now, by Bhagavan grace, by divine will, he remembers all his past births. And then in this struggling position, he also remembers what all he did bad before. Even more torture. And then it says, oh my God, I am stuck in this mother's womb now. I'm already suffering here so much. When I go out, it will be even worse. I will do the same mistake again. And then I will get caught again. How will I get released? Hey Krishna, have pity on me right now. Please let me not get this birth in a womb again. Amma vaitla poraka kudadu. Why the Mahan keeps saying, don't want to enter Amma's womb again. Why they say? Itna suffering hota hai. So the fetus is telling, got conscious now. 7th month ho gaya. Now he became conscious, and so he starts doing stuti to Bhagavan. And the stuti is also given in Bhagavatam. 3.31 is this chapter, very touching and profound. And so he's doing praise of Bhagavan and says, let me not. That's the way Jada Bodho Apyakande. See that slow word? All this Bhattadari put in one word only. Yuvadi Jadaraginno Jada Bodho Apyakande. Suddenly Atma Bodha happening. But then, now what happened? 9th month over, 10th month coming. There is as though a force pushing the baby out. And then the mother goes into labor. And then in that struggle of coming out, mother is suffering, but the baby is suffering more. And in that suffering, the baby lost all this memory which had in the fetus. And so it came out, and it was quiet, it didn't cry, then it starts crying, who is this, where am I? And the family celebrates, right? All of us, when we are born, samsara celebrate our birth. So this child became again infatuated. Punarapi bada, अरे क्या हो गया देखो, again he got moha. Punarapi bada mukhyatyeva tarunya kale. This is the state of our youth everywhere. It is sad. Punarapi bada mukhyatyeva tarunya kale kapiladanuriritvam. Kapila is telling all this for Devabhutiyala, for us also. So, very interesting to understand. Amma want, everybody want, I want to get pregnant, I want to get pregnant, everything. Sometime when we know all this, we won't start at all. At that time, 21, we were ignorant. Ignorance is bliss. We entered the world, aram se vindas. Abhi dekho, once you get here, then you say, oh no, right? Now like that, the mother is praying. Some couple pray 15 years, 18 years. After that, they get baby. And then after getting the baby, they spend all life palan portion of baby. And astrally, you could have done Guruvayurappan at that time. Now I will say, because I'm virakta more. Like that. This reality. Whether you believe or not does not matter. Real is real. So, Pitrisura Ganayaji Dharmigo Yo Grihastha. After this, the Grihastha, what is his condition? How, based on what the Grihastha has done, he also has different states to go. That's here. Pitrisura Ganayaji. धार्मिको यो गृहस्थः स च निपतति काले दक्षिणाद्वोपगामी मयि निहितम् अकामम् कर्मदूदक्पदार्थम् कपिलदनुनिधित्वं देवभूत्यैन्यगादिः. Doing his swadharma, after the end of his birth, he will go to the Punya Loka, but only little bit high. Not all the way Vaikuntha and all. He will go just one next Loka, Pitru Loka. There the Ananda is little bit higher. Next high Loka, he will go spend time for his Punya, again come back here. This only, we only go little higher. We don't cross 7 layers to go up to Vaikuntha. We go little higher, come back, again come back. Again do work, again go little high, come back. As up and down, up and down. Also, the another important thing about birth itself, we'll get 7 births, 84 lakh yonis, 7 types of births. Anywhere it is possible, right? It need not be Manusha Janma. We can be Deva, we can be Manusha, we can be animals, we can be birds, we can be aquatic creatures, we can be reptiles, like this, and trees and plants. 7 types I said, huh? So we can be any 7 of this. And based on the where our prana is leaving, the yoni will decide it, given in Yoga Shastra. We have 7 dwara, 9 dwara, Navadwara Sharira, they will say, right? Navadwara Sharira, 2 ears make it 1 and eyes make it 1. Then ears lende, eyes lende, nose lende, vaai lende. Then lower region lende, 7 ways if the body, the prana can leave based on our action of the past. That is how the last moment the prana leaves. If anyone has been close to the dying person and seen this and observed and all, possible. Sometime after you see the person gone, the eyes would have been open. Sometime after you see the person has left, the mouth would have been open. We don't know how the prana leaves. If the prana leaves through the higher region, we get higher birth. The prana goes through lower region, we get lower birth. Birth is certain. Only Mai Nihidam Akamam. Only when you do Akama Bhakti, to finish all the Vasana, Mano Nasham, Vasana Kshayam, Ippo, before the heart stops pumping. Guruji says, right? Before the heart stops pumping, you should be completely removed from worldly thoughts. Then you will attain Vaikuntha. You cannot say little here, little world, little Bhagavan. No, won't work. At some point we say, Bhagavan, become more, then we attain. Perpata Guru Arupan he is. Yet he is making you and I talk about him, Madhavi great. That Bhagavan is that state. No clue at all we have. So, at least you have to hear and get more serious right now, right? Mai nihidam akamam karma dudak pathartam. Nobody should say, retire okay, dekha, abhi main retire ho gaya. Retire okay ho gaya na. Already, or halfway, some of you, you're in family, etc., but you're hearing, just live, keep this and live life. So, Maihi Nihidam Agamam Karmadudak Pathatam, only the one who has done Mano Nasham. By Mahadanugamalabhya, it is easy when you have Sadhu Sangha. You don't have to bother too much and pressure. I'm not going to pressure you. Pressure say it will not come. It will come with love. Shobha seems to like it. Maybe I should check it out. Like that you say. You say this bhakta is going always to bhajan. Maybe what they like there. Let me check it out. Like that you go. Right? There is no pressure. You see what they are enjoying. What the Bhakta Sangha, how it come they always like this only? How come we only like Mahan? How come my friends are like that? Then you start thinking Tattva Lochanai. And then you turn mind slowly and do this, take serious effort. At least work should be serious now. Mai nihidam akamam karmadodak pathartam kabiladanudiditvam. Only the pure one will go northern path. The rest will go southern path and keep coming back again and again. This way, beautiful tattva. My God. Kapila Avatara, amazing. We have studied in Narayanam, Bhagavatam, it will take 2 years. So many chapters are there. Kapila Avatara. Bhattadri beautifully condensed in 2 Dashaka Bhagyam. And we have seen the essence fully. We have heard the essence and content stuff. Beautiful we have heard. Seriously we have heard. Kapila Avatara. Iti suvidita vidyam devahe devahudim kridanudim anugrihya pangado yogi sangaihi vimalamatirathaso bhakti yogena mukta tvamapi janahitaartham vartase pragudichya. All, no doubt at all now. All doubts have to be cleared if we want to attain jnana. No, don't keep any doubt. Some doubts will go by asking questions. Some doubt will be answered by itself. Some doubt will be not start at all. It will not start at all now. Before the doubt which started, they won't start because there's clarity, more and more clarity. Like that, Idi Suvidita Vedya, ellam fine, clear, perfect. Now Devahuti became perfect, Jnana Vandach, and so she's Kritanuti, Perpatta Gurunada, who gave me this release. What can I give? See how much then you will understand. Once you get that, you will understand, oh my God, where was I? Where am I? Then only the realization will come, and then we understand Mahatva of Gurunada, who has brought us here. Like that, Kritanudim, now only Devahuti is doing pranam to her son, and then Twamgado, Bhagavan blessed her, and he left with yogis. Then Vimalamati Rathaso, Nalla Vimalamati, clear-eyed, mind became pure and Nischalam. Bhakti Yoga, by Bhakti. See, for us again and again, Manama and Bhakti is our marga. Bhakti Yogena Mukta, Tvamapi Janahita Artham. For the sake of good of the people, Kapila Bhagavan, still he present here. Vartase Irka. Pragudicham, the northeast region, Poturka. Vartase Pragudicham. Now, beautiful shloka. It is very important one. Paramakimu Bahukya. Patpadam Boja Bhaktim. Sakala Bhaya Vinitri. After reading this, Bhaya Vinitri. No more Bhaya. Last week, what chapter? 91? Shri Krishna Tatpadopasanam Bhayatamam. Bhayam has to be completely eradicated. No Bhayam at all, then we are ready for Jnanam. No Bhayam means we are given 100% to Guru Arpan, we don't have fear. That means 100% faith has come. Here also, after hearing Devahuti, no Bhayam, Paramakimu Bahukya, Twatpadam Bhoja Bhaktim, Sakala Bhaya Vinetrim, Sarvakamo Banetrim, the feet of Bhagavan remove all fear. Shri Krishna Twatpado Vasanam Abhayadamam, Padam of Bhagavan, Sakala Bhaya Vinetrim, Sarvakamo Banetrim, also gives all desires. Padasikalu Dridam Tvam. Areva. Dridam Tvam, Dridama Cholra Bhattadri, Tat Viduyamayam, Amayan me. Kapila Bhagavan, Dridama Cholra, Devahuti Ammak, and then, Hey Guru Arpa, what a beautiful teaching, please cure my ailments. Narayana Bhattadri still, thick only, writing slowly. Guru Pavana Puresha, Tvayupada Swabhaktim. Paramakimu Bahukya, Patpadam Boja Bhaktim, Sakala Bhaktim, Sarvakamo Banetrim, Parasikalu Dridam Tvam, Tadviduya Mayan me, Guru Pavana Puresha, Tvayupada Swabhaktim, Padam Boja Bhaktim, Sakala Bhaya Vinetrim, the Bhakti to the lotus feet, Padam Boja Bhaktim, Sakala Bhaya Vinetrim. The feet is steady in the heart, there will not be fear. Sakala Bhayavinetri, Sarvakamopanetri, and also all the correct things will come for us automatically. This way, Kapila Bhagavan firmly, Vadasi kalu dridam tvam dridamachvam. We have conviction and say it, Vadasi kalu dridam tvam tad viduya amayan me. Who is telling all this? Narayana Bhattadri telling Krishna, please cure my disease. Thank you, Guru Ayappa Sharanam. Like this, Guru Pavana Puresha, Tvayupadat Swabhaktim, Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha.